Good morning. In this session, we start up with Unit 2.4 Secretory Tissues. Secretory tissues. What are secretory tissues? The term itself explains that it excretes or secretes something, and the tissues which is concerned with or performed the particular function to eliminate some unwanted or waste materials from the plant body. So here we can see the secretory tissues are the particular group of tissue which store cytoplasmic products. What is cytoplasmic products? Of course, we know that in plant growth and development there is anabolic and metabolic activities going on, and during metabolism, the food metabolism means to produce food materials for the normal growth and development. And in connection with the process of metabolism, what happens? Not only the plant which produce their or synthesize their food materials for the normal growth and development. In addition to that, or along with a process, there what happen? Some waste materials which are not required for the normal growth or development of the plant body, which is also produced. And such products or such materials which are generally called as cytoplasmic products. And here we can see these are called, that is, the secretory tissues are not only a general tissue, but it is a kind of glands or ducts which are developed or derived in the plant body. And either it is epidermal or subepidermal in position. So the tissue system which is differentiated like outer epidermal tissue system and the middle cortical tissue system and central cylinder vascular tissue system. So here this particular type of tissues which are organized or differentiated as glands or ducts in the plant body. So coming to here, the stored materials have no role in metabolism. That is why I just explained that these cytoplasmic products which are not required for the normal growth of the plant body, and so these materials which are getting stored during what the metabolic process. And here we can see naturally such unwanted materials or waste products which are derived due to or during the photosynthesis or preparation of food materials, which are discharged because it is not occupied in the tissue specifically for at the synthetic site, and so which are getting discharged, which means it is getting eliminated from that particular area, that is the site of synthesis. And such discharge of cytoplasmic products to the outside, which is commonly called as excretion or secretion. Excretion or secretion. This is the process which is going on or performed, or the function performed by the secretory tissues such as glands or gland ducts. Okay, so the discharge is carried out by isolated cells. So a group of or a set of isolated, means separated cells, or by a definite tissue. So such a group of isolated cells or a definite tissue which is called secretory tissue. So what is secretory tissue? It is not only a permanent tissue, and also it is not only a particular kind of vascular tissue or epidermal tissue or cortical tissue. So simply we can reveal that the secretory tissues are such type of isolated cells or a definite group of tissue which help to watch the storage of materials and those materials which are derived from as the cytoplasmic products. So the discharge is carried out by this particular or the function of this particular tissue, okay, which are called secretory tissue. And are two types. These secretory tissues are also differentiated into two major types. One is as mentioned as external secretory tissue and the another is internal secretory tissue. So secretory tissues are of two types, external and also internal. This external tissue is again we can see such a differentiation into glandular hairs and digestive glands. So somewhat we can understand that the glandular hairs or digestive glands which is usually seen in the epidermal tissue system, and the other one is nectaries. Nectaries is also a kind of secretory tissue which is seen associated with some inflorescence or flowers which is specifically differentiated in the plant body. So these are the major structure, function and nature of differentiation in secretory tissue. Okay, we will discuss about the glandular hairs and digestive glands and also nectaries in the next session. Thank you.